3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff.
Did you know that NASA hasn't launched an astronaut into space in nearly 10 years? But that is about to change this month. If all goes according to plan, on May 27th at precisely 4:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, NASA will send 2 astronauts to the International Space Station aboard the Crew Dragon, the latest capsule built by private spacecraft company SpaceX. It's slated to be SpaceX's first time launching humans into space, and it'll be the final hurdle the tech company must clear to prove that commercial spaceflight is no longer a pipe dream. Launching from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida, Crew Dragon will accelerate American astronauts Robert Behnken and Douglas Hurley to approximately 27,359 kilometers per hour. The craft will be powered into Earth's orbit by a specially designed version of SpaceX's famous Falcon 9 rocket.
0, ignition, and liftoff of the Falcon 9 rocket and the Dragon spacecraft.
The Falcon 9 operates in 2 stages, and unlike most rockets, it's partially reusable. The first stage uses 9 Merlin engines to generate more than 1.7 million pounds of thrust, about enough to lift a drilling rig clean off the ocean. SpaceX made history in 2015 when they demonstrated that they could successfully land and recover this part of the rocket for reuse.
What? Holy smokes, man.
The second stage, a single Merlin engine, gives the Crew Dragon capsule the final push it needs to exit Earth's atmosphere. Once the crew is in orbit, they'll sync up with Mission Control to run a series of tests to make sure all systems are operating smoothly. After about 24 hours, Crew Dragon will then begin its docking sequence with the ISS. And that's when Crew Dragon's autopilot kicks in. While astronauts Behnken and Hurley will be able to take manual control at any time, the capsule's system of lasers, sensors, and guiding software will ensure that it docks with the ISS safely. As the newest part of the crew, the astronauts will help conduct experiments as they continue to test Crew Dragon's systems. Once they've completed their mission, the capsule will autonomously undock and with the 2 astronauts on board, begin its descent back to Earth. NASA and SpaceX have yet to set a return date. If all goes well, this could be a big win for everybody. NASA could restart its own human spaceflight program. SpaceX could begin to make commercial spaceflight a reality, and we civilians might look more optimistically toward the day we can launch into space.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.